the 1st of January 2025. Welcome to the year, my friend. Let's go into it. I'm speaking about growing up. You and I meet all these people. We have been for the better duration of our lives. People that say 2020 wasn't my best year. I can't wait to be inside 2021. 2023 wasn't my year. I can't wait to be inside 2024. And now they are saying 2024 wasn't my year. I can't wait to be right inside 2025. As if all these years, somehow there is someone in a certain place who creates this years and says, for you, 2025 is going to be the best year. For John, 2027 is going to be the best year. But you know what, my friend? I've got a bombshell. And the bombshell is, until you learn to grow up and take responsibility for your life and take life seriously, you will never ever grow up and nothing will ever change in your life. And this is what I'm talking about today. Because why? Everybody's talking about winning. Everybody's thinking about achieving success. Everybody says, I'm going to be this. But come end of the year, we haven't done anything. People haven't done anything. All they have in place is those wishes. I wish I could have had that loan and grown my business. I wish I could have started on a fitness journey to change my life, to lose weight. I wish I could have done this to improve the quality of my finances, the quality of my relationships. But nothing is happening in that area. Because why? Nothing will ever happen, as I said, unless you stop today everything that you are doing and you change the path you are taking. And how do you change the path you are taking? You change the path you are taking by instituting goals in your life. Successful people understand this very well. They really, really do. Because they know that without goals, they can never go anywhere in life. So they put up goals and they chase those goals like a wild rabbit chasing, anything is prey, wanting food. Like any predator in the bush would go for its first meal of the day or for its first meal in 5 days or in 2 days. Like that hunger, the passion, that is what successful people do. They know that just getting up like us and wishing that I'm going to catch a jackpot, I'm going to win some money on Top Bet, on Hollywood. They don't do any of those things, my friend. They have goals. They wake up with a purpose saying, I'm working on this today. I'm working on this coming week, this coming month, this coming year. That is the thing that takes them to the top, my friend. That's the attitude that catapults them to the top. They don't just arrive there by mistake. They don't just arrive there by luck because, this was my year. No, things don't happen like that in the real world of success. And you've got to think about it. You've got to change something. If something has got to change in your life. Number two, those people take responsibility. My friend, you are a grown up. You've got a family to feed. You've got things to change. You are a grown up. Until you take responsibility, nothing, again I repeat, is going to change. People get up on a daily basis, on a weekly basis. They do the things they've done last year. They do everything they've always done the past 5 years. Nothing ever changes. They do everything they've done the past 10 years without changing anything. They keep going on and on, expecting different results. Albert Einstein said what? He said that is pure stupidity. So for you to really, really amass that amount of success, be it is in your financial life or in your relationships, my friend, you've got to take responsibility. What is responsibility? Responsibility is an adult who says, you know what, I'm grown up now. I'm not going to be populating my life with weekend lives, with night lives. I'm not going to be populating my life around with people that are not going anywhere in my life. Now is the time to act. This is my year. That's how you say this is my year. You have to put attitude in what you believe to be your year. Number three, successful people, what do? They surround themselves with successful people or with people who think success, people who talk success. If you are going to be continuing surrounding yourself with all those pessimists, all those people that thrive on gossip, all those people that are full of negative energy, and you believe you are going to do well, my friend, you are on a kiss of death. Remember, no one just fell onto your lap. The people around you were not brought into your life coincidentally. We all chose who we were going to spend our lives with. All of us, you and I. There's not a single person around you who has that influence that you did not choose. As a matter of fact, I try personally to spend a lot of time with people that are successful. Be it they are successful business, career, a marriage, art, sport, or anything. I try to do that because why? From them, I learn the value that I can take and institute in my life to bring change. Of course, they would not allow me into their lives if I wasn't bringing anything of value. So what do? I keep investing in myself to make sure that I become valuable so that I attract valuable people. Because if I was spending a lot of time with people that are just on the negative, I'm not going to benefit anything. If I'm going to surround myself with people that tell me it's a weekend, let's go and drink beer, I'm not going to grow. I'm not going to go anywhere in life. If I'm going to surround myself with people that don't understand the value and the power of growing a small business, of growing money, of growing my life of assets and going down on liabilities, I'm not going to grow. But what do? I try so hard. I don't always get it right, but at the end of the year, I can see from the results that I tried. So I can only up the results now, the input now, so that at the end of the year, the results are way much better. My friend, your life can only change if you take responsibility. It's not your mother who's going to change your life. It's not your dad. It is not the government. It is not foreigners suddenly living in South Africa. We can take all of them out today, but your life is still going to be the same if you do not institute goals and work on them like crazy. If you do not start a small business, if you don't start a fitness program, you are not going to go anywhere, my friend. Politicians are not going to come and change your life. I have said this. I meet a lot of young, talented people that are busy running from government building to government building, trying to ask for permission to succeed, from bureaucrats who know nothing about entrepreneurship. My friend, it is time to change this year. If you do not change anything, nothing is going to change, my friend. Come with me.